Okay, today, January 19, we'll be separating the babies from the parents. It's baby blue, one of the baby blues. There's two blues and two greens, all independently eating now. Mama's not feeding them anymore. That's Keshet, the mother. This one here. And there's the babies. One blue there. Green down the back. Blue and green at the back. And there's Papa Titan saying, get rid of them already, I've had enough. So we're preparing the cage. Yeah, so there's the 4 babies up the top there. And we know it's time to take them out because Titan's getting a bit aggro with them. Here comes Keshet, she likes a little bit of a peanut. So as I said, it's baby blue, one of the baby blues, baby green at the back, another baby blue over here. Where's the other green? There's the green down here. Titan in the background.
Love their broccolini, look, it's almost gone.
Yep, broccolini, spinach, corn, millet spray, carrots, celery. Not spoiled. And then Thursday they'll be passed on to someone who will take them over. And this is the cage they'll be going into. It's not completely ready yet. We'll fix that up shortly.
Because of the rain.
It's got tarpaulin over the top because we're expecting more rain. So always fun trying to catch them, that's everyone's job. Luckily the babies at this stage don't bite.
He's not a vicious bird anyway. Such a gentle bird.
But they can still bite, if so inclined.
These Keshet's feathers have grown back. Balls from feeding.
A lot of activity. So we decided to feed them first, and then probably in an hour or so we'll swap them over when they're ready for a nap time, so they'll be a bit quieter. You haven't put paper down there.
I haven't done anything yet.
So these guys like to go down on the floor. That's Titan. And this is Keshet enjoying some celery. Well, she was. Now she's having some carrot. Or was it celery? Celery. As I said, they like to eat off the ground. That's why we keep these cages clean. The paper gets changed twice a week. Fresh grit goes on the ground and some fresh seed goes on the ground. Okay, so that'll do for now. Very active.
To a visitor.
And one of our baby magpies has just turned up. Okay.